Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, watch as serious dogs turn into total goofballs. Let's go.
Is one of the most relaxing things you can do, okay? The study shows that petting your dog releases stress.
Look who is trying to solve the mystery of the unmovable object.
Chip, 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 chip. Yay! Good.
Hello!
They're like, what's wrong with that guy? He's not a rabbit.
Yes, good girl, go.
Why do you always go to the fence?
Me, just 5 minutes after clocking in.
No, let's go outside. Come on, let's go.
Taking it home like a trophy. He must be so proud.
Oh my goodness, you poor thing, you okay? Oh, you need food in there. Oh, heavens. You poor thing.
Friendly reminder, he's not blocking the view, he is the view. My dog, every time he sees me in relaxation mode like,
Dogs should not sleep in the bed. It is... What are you doing?
don't you dare jog into the sunset without your furry sidekick. He won't let go.
Yeah.
Look at that. You see that right there? That should not even be that loose. See, the air compressor is sitting on a thing called a motor mount. The motor mount is letting the fluid come.
No doubt he's practicing for the next Got Talent show.
Parkour!
Gotta take him back. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go take a bath. Let's go. Come on.
The dog is just making sure nobody cheats.
The flathead, Dr. Phillips. Yeah.
It's all I've ever seen in my life.
CC, run back and get me a speed square. CC, bring me a speed square.
Mustache. What mustache, my friend?
Go get her! Go get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! Oh, my knee!
Every gardener needs a quality control expert, even if they're a little overzealous.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a big doofus Belgian Malinois named Redden.
Se nos acabó el agüita. Manuel, ¿puedes matar una bolsita de agua, por favor?
If your gym buddy doesn't have a wagging tail, you're doing it wrong.
Pase, mi amor. Sí.
Okay, go.
This dog has two personalities, from party animal to professional guardian.
Reaper here! Reaper! Reaper here! Attack! Attack! Good boy! Good attack!
Да набойки від мештів.
Someone's pretending they're a forensic detective trying to figure out who ate the shoes.
Гансуню, Песько, будемо мали доброго пса.
I found the source of the owner's back problems. He'll solve your problems, but the only prescription is belly rubs.
Nicole!
Понял. Думаю, что за такой виноватый вид? А потом понял. Просто вышел на кухню и понял.
Seems like the divorce papers are being filed by the dog. The dog, I am not wet, you are wet now, human. I think he's practicing for his stand-up comedy special.
Turner? Ayo, 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 ayo.
O quê? Você tá uma preguiceira só.
The dog has a PhD in manipulating humans with a single glance.
Julian, why am I tied to a stick?
To trigger any explosives Carl might have set for me.
Oh, yay! I'm a sacrifice!
Who says serious dogs can't be silly? Like, subscribe, and see you.